A lot of companies have cost reduction and, like I mentioned in the intro, layoffs.
Mhm.
For those unfamiliar with the term, what exactly is cost reduction and why is it important for business owners?
Certainly, cost reduction is officially the most boring conversation on earth for some and the most terrifying for others. So we want to avoid being boring or terrifying. Ideally, intelligent cost reduction removes the fat without cutting the muscle or the nerve of your organization. And so most companies that do cost reduction and the people in them have had the experience where sometimes indiscriminate cuts to fat have cut into muscle and actually nicked a nerve or two. And intelligent cost reduction says, how do we, without causing trauma to the body, increase the overall health, reduce the unnecessary fat, and do so in a way that does not absorb unnecessary amounts of time, energy, and anxiety.